Ever felt like understanding investing is like trying to decipher an ancient, mystical language, guarded by fire-breathing dragons of jargon and complex charts? Like you need a finance degree just to grasp the basics, let alone actually put your money to work. If the thought of stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds makes your brain feel like it's doing a triple backflip while juggling chainsaws, then you are absolutely, unequivocally in the right place. Because today, we're going to dismantle that dragon, decode that language, and show you how to start investing, not just without overwhelm, but with surprising ease, using a tool that's designed to make it as simple as ordering your morning coffee, Acorns. Now, before we dive headfirst into the world of microinvesting and automated portfolios, let's set the scene a little. Why is investing so intimidating for so many? It's not just the terminology, though that certainly plays a role. It's the perceived risk, the fear of losing money, the overwhelming number of choices, and the nagging feeling that you're somehow not smart enough or rich enough to play in this arena. We see headlines about market crashes, hear stories of people losing their life savings, and naturally, our self-preservation instincts kick in, whispering, "Better safe than sorry, just keep your money in savings." And while savings accounts are crucial for emergencies, they're not designed for long-term wealth growth. In fact, with inflation constantly chipping away at your purchasing power, your money in a traditional savings account is actually losing value over time. It's like running on a treadmill that's slowly moving backward. To truly build wealth and secure your financial future, you need your money to work for you. You need to invest. But how do you bridge that gap between "I know I should invest" and "I have no idea where to even begin"? That's where Acorns swoops in, acting like your friendly, financial co-pilot, guiding you through the often treacherous skies of investing with a calm, steady hand. What exactly is Acorns? At its core, Acorns is a micro-investing platform. Think of it as a way to invest small amounts of money consistently, almost without noticing it. It's built on the principle that even tiny acorns can grow into mighty oaks. A little bit of consistent effort over time can lead to substantial results. The beauty of Acorns lies in its simplicity and automation. It's not about day trading, picking individual stocks, or trying to time the market. It's about setting up a system where your money is automatically invested in diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance, allowing compounding to work its magic over the long term. Let's break down the key features that make Acorns such a powerful tool for overcoming investing overwhelm. First up, and perhaps the most iconic feature, is roundups. Imagine this: you buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns automatically rounds up your purchase to the nearest dollar, in this case, $4, and invests that extra 50 cents. You buy groceries for $47.25, it rounds up to $48 and invests 75 cents. These small amounts accumulate in your roundups account until they reach $5, at which point they are automatically invested into your chosen portfolio. It's like finding loose change in your couch cushions, but instead of spending it on another coffee, you're investing it for your future. The genius here is that you barely notice these small deductions, yet they add up surprisingly fast. It's a pain-free way to start building your investment habit. Next, we have recurring investments. While roundups are fantastic for passive saving, recurring investments allow you to be more intentional. You can set up a daily, weekly, or monthly transfer of a fixed amount, say $5, $25, or $100, directly from your checking account into your Acorns investment portfolio. This is where the real power of dollar-cost averaging comes into play. By investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market fluctuations, you average out your purchase price over time. When the market is down, your fixed amount buys more shares. When it's up, it buys fewer. This strategy effectively removes the emotion from investing and reduces the risk of trying to time the market, a futile endeavor even for seasoned professionals. Then there are the portfolios. This is where many beginners get tripped up with traditional investing. What should I invest in? How do I diversify? Acorns simplifies this entirely. When you sign up, you answer a few simple questions about your financial goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, Acorns recommends one of 5 diversified portfolios, ranging from conservative to aggressive. These portfolios are made up of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which are essentially baskets of various stocks and bonds. Instead of buying individual stocks, you're buying a tiny piece of hundreds, even thousands, of different companies and government bonds. This inherent diversification significantly reduces your risk, as your eggs aren't all in one basket. If one company or sector performs poorly, the others can offset that loss. You don't need to understand the intricacies of each ETF. Acorns handles the allocation and rebalancing for you. Let's talk about the fees. Acorns has a straightforward subscription model. For the basic Acorns Invest account, it's typically $3, $5, or $9 per month, depending on the tier you choose. Now, some people might balk at monthly fees, especially for smaller balances. However, consider what you're getting for that fee: automated investing, diversified portfolios, rebalancing, and often, access to Acorns checking and retirement accounts. For many beginners, the peace of mind and the elimination of complex decision-making are well worth the modest fee. Plus, for college students, Acorns is often free, making it an incredible tool to start building financial habits early. Beyond the core investing features, Acorns also offers Acorns Later and Acorns Checking. Acorns Later allows you to invest for retirement through various IRA, individual retirement account, options, traditional, Roth, or SEP IRA. This is incredibly important because retirement accounts offer significant tax advantages. Acorns simplifies setting up and contributing to these accounts, taking another layer of complexity out of long-term financial planning. Acorns Checking is a checking account that integrates seamlessly with your investing, allowing you to manage your daily spending and investments in one place. It even has features like early direct deposit and no overdraft fees. So, how do you get started with Acorns? The process is remarkably simple. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.